So Matt's a little worried today. We're talking about some spicy chip that Jerry's friend did that Jerry got him, and Matt was like, "Oh, piece of cake, I can do that." Well, he's gonna eat his words today because we got him one. You gotta take a look. This is what it is. Carolina Reaper chip. Oh, all right.
And he's in. Yeah, there you go. Take that off.
Oh, fuck.
His eyes are sweating. You all right? You feeling all right?
Yeah.
It's getting close. Reckoning.
5:40 was the time.
We might have to make this its own little Sunday bonus video.
There's a sad thing though. I just read about
What?
the Paqui one chip challenge on Instagram officially ended in
Oh, who cares?
January. Here we go. Ingredients: blue corn, sunflower, and sunflower oil, Carolina Reaper pepper, scorpion chili pepper, sea salt, activated charcoal powder, chipotle pepper powder.
It's funny because activated charcoal actually will help neutralize
I'm gonna
things.
need to text the group and say if we.
After this, hell should be easy. Oh, I guess this one expired a year ago. Don't tell him that. We'll tell him later. Eat at your own risk. Not for the faint of heart. Not everyone will enjoy the extreme heat. Just to be clear, we're doing this after hours. So if someone cracks a beer, do not worry. It is after hours. That's why this will be its own little Sunday episode. It's literally in a coffin. So this whole thing came about because one of Jerry's friends did it, and he basically couldn't take it. And he showed us the video of him doing it, and Matt, quote unquote, called him a pussy and said that he could do it no problem. So we all looked at each other and said, all right,
Deal.
game on. Bring him on over. Bring him on over. Came prepared. We got some whole milk, which is, in my opinion, worse.
Nah, whole milk's the best for hot stuff.
All right, whatever.
Whole milk? Yeah, whole milk.
There
it is.
M-E-L-K.
We doing this out here?
Yeah.
I'd like to,
Yeah. Where else are we going to do it?
I mean, I don't care. What are we doing?
I mean, he's going to need a trash can or something to spit in.
I've always wanted to see somebody do this, and Matt called Jerry's friend a pussy, so he said, then you do it. And he goes, bring me one in. So here we go.
And yes, people probably are.
Jerry brought it out of the blue, dude.
Yeah.
He was like, Matt, I got something for you. Bam!
Yeah, didn't you guys talk about it like months ago?
At least 2 weeks ago. If you have something hotter, Carolina pepper, Reaper, whatever, feel free to send it. We know there's hotter stuff, but this
No,
is...
don't send it, because I'm
Fran wants to do one.
If you send it, you have to send at least $100 with it, and then we'll film somebody eating it. You can take your pick.
Somebody
We don't want to die.
Yeah, no. We just want to see Matt die.
Yeah, California Tortilla used to have some crazy hot sauce, man.
There he is, man of the hour.
Put his fucking... I think Eric's more excited than anybody. He's been talking about it all weekend.
I gotta get your expression, your reactions
I was so
too.
excited by this, I forgot that fucking Jerry owes me lunch.
I know. He owes me lunch too.
Well, let me get some on it.
Look at this guy. He's putting the glove.
Glove up. I ain't touching this.
That shit.
Don't touch your eyes.
Rub your eyes afterwards. I dare you.
I think I went to the bathroom first because it could have been bad if he didn't.
We need like funeral music.
That's why I said that here. I feel like I'm going to a funeral tonight.
Yo, what if he eats it and is fucking just like, give me another one?
Yeah, he's fine.
Here he goes.
Fucking.
What if I eat it and die?
Well, let's hope you don't.
There it is.
That's not that big.
It's out.
Let me
That's
see,
what
let
she
me
said.
see it. Yeah, okay.
You think you can fit the whole thing in your... Let's smell it. Oh,
Does
man.
it smell like anything?
It smells like shit.
Does it? Let me smell it.
Doesn't really smell like
It doesn't really smell like much, actually.
All right.
Oh. All right.
And he's in.
Yeah, there you go. Take that off.
Oh, fuck.
You still another half, don't you? Or is
No,
that
no,
both
he
of them?
pulled it in half and ate the whole thing.
There you go.
Yeah, you can't walk
Throw his
away.
gloves out.
It is immediately hot.
What are we doing? 2 minutes?
I don't know, start a timer.
I'll get the
My
timer.
video's
I'll get the
already been
timer
going for 56. Or
I
a
got
minute
the
now.
timer going.
You okay?
Try not to laugh. Is it bearable right now, or?
It's hot.
I mean, it's obviously bearable because he's
Like breathing air down your throat makes it 100
Hotter.
times worse.
breathing in your nose better than your mouth.
No.
His eyes are sweating.
So this was. Andrew said he was going to knock him off of his feet. Is
Yes.
what the term was, right?
Yeah.
And we're already what? How long in?
At 45 seconds. I probably started at 15 to 20 seconds late, and we're at 40 seconds, so we're almost about a minute.
Oh, nose
You're
is
doing all right.
running.
You're doing all right.
I'm waiting for that 5-10 minute marker because that's when it's.
His eyes are
on your
ready.
eyes. Yeah.
But we said. I mean, I would not that we really gave too many rules, but we said 2 minutes until he could drink
Holy
something.
shit, dude. You all right? You feeling all right?
Yeah? I just really want to drink.
He needs some milk. Get him some milk.
Well, you got. You don't got too much left.
His forehead. Sweating, dude.
Oh man, you are getting red.
It was quivering.
Oh,
Not bad, huh?
You don't got much left, Matt. We're at a minute and a half, and like I said, I started it late.
That's pretty good. You think you could go the whole time without a drink? Like for a little while?
I don't want to.
Yeah, he's ready to drink. He's crying.
You're already this far in.
You got like 18 seconds till my timer says 2 minutes, which is a little over 2 minutes.
Kind of feel bad.
No, you don't.
I don't.
Is he? Let's ask you this, Andrew. Is he taking it better than your buddy did?
Oh
No, my buddy was like, this ain't nothing, and the 10 minute marker hit.
I mean, that's 2 minutes on my timer.
All right, fuck it.
Small sips. Don't waste it.
He's got two.
got 2 of them.
Yeah.
On the chip, it says milk or ice cream. Basically, anything
Yeah,
dairy, I assume, kills it. Is that immediately better?
Yeah, like 90% better.
Oh, that's risky touching your eye, even though you wear gloves.
His sweat probably has hot sauce coming out of
It
it.
comes back immediately.
All right, I ended my
as soon
video.
as you don't have the milk in your... No, I think water makes it worse. You just put it on the ground. It'll fucking evaporate.
Too late.
Alright, I'm gonna end this video.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I ended mine.
I'm starting to feel it in my chest a little bit.
What would you describe it as in your throat? Like, is it definitely the hottest thing you've ever eaten?
Yes.
Now that's a normal
How do
size
you,
iPhone?
how do you even... mine's a plus. How do you even...
the new one too?
That's the new one. 12 Pro.
God damn it.
Whatever. It's like the same size as an older.
Yours is just has space on it. Getting worse now,
I
or
doubt
staying
there's
the same?
even a way to...
You're sweating bullets, dude.
Oh, hold on, hold still. I gotta get that.
I doubt there's even a way to
You're looking like a
describe that.
honey bun right now.
You
Like,
can't,
alright.
you can't describe how hot that is because it's not like nothing you've ever eaten.
Right.
My dad wants to know how hot it is.
Hot.
It's fucking hot.
Oh no, you got that sweat. My man's glistening.
He is worried. You got to give us a update tomorrow.
On how your asshole is.
Yeah.
He might.
This is nothing, man. Just wait.
He might.
He's shaking.
He might sit and
Hold
wipe
that
this
out.
one.
Hold that out.
Dude, my boy was good for like 10 minutes, and out of nowhere he's like,
Oh my God, he's shaking.
he started pacing. I was like, what's wrong? He said, man, I don't know what's going on in my stomach right now.
Yeah, coming out, I think, is what would be
Nah,
worse.
I would think it's probably your fucking stomach acid probably kills all that shit after.
I'm-
So is it not so hot in your mouth?
It's just not going away.
Yeah. It's not
Oh, it's my
supposed to
fucking
go
mouth.
away. Oh, your mouth. Okay. I didn't know if it was like you could feel it like in your like chest and stomach hot.
I'm getting ice pop.
That might make it worse.
Freeze pop?
No, I think it might be.
Well, it's water based, so I thought they said water makes it worse.
Yeah, it spreads it out.
just let
Yeah.
him do it. Just let him crack a beer too. I mean,
No,
That would be worse. Carbonation kills you.
let him.
My boy was
Let him
like,
do it. He's doing better than we all thought he would.
I mean, I didn't know. I had no.
I mean, he kind of is. How you doing?
Smell. I didn't think it really had that much of a smell. Lick the wrapper. I can't.
Meanwhile, it's like 28 degrees outside.
So
He's
soothing.
eating ice pop.
It is fucking cold.
Yeah. Supposed to get a snow tomorrow. A little
Today
bit.
was supposed to too. It's shit.
Did you eat it?
Yes, you're down.
In mid-process.
Dude, you can't be eating a popsicle. You gotta let it kick in.
but
It's kicked
just
in.
Wait.
Yeah. This is 5 minutes
Are you
after.
okay?
Crying?
Cassie wants to know if he's at the puking
look at
stage
his
yet.
I'm all right.
Hold on. Stay
My
still.
hives are coming out.
Yeah, your hives are coming out. All right, this
Yeah,
is
he's
closer.
sweating.
This is closer to what
Dennis,
I
neck is
your
red.
asshole's gonna suck
I
tomorrow.
don't know.
Look at him shaking.
He is shaking.
All right, I'll call you on my own.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Oh, like back of your neck is like turning red.
My boy couldn't speak at all.
Well, you can't to begin with, so.
Joe, dog, this shit ain't shit. I think it's starting to taper. The ice pop up a lot.
I was gonna say,
Comes right back.
just hold the milk in your mouth.
That's what I'm doing.
Just don't fucking swallow.
I hate hot, like really hot shit.
Same.
See, I don't mind.
So now's probably a good time to tell you that the expiration on that chip is last year. Not the milk, don't worry.
I don't think.
I don't
that
think
would
it matters.
Yeah.
I saw it and I was like,
It's in a sealed package.
Yeah.
Like I.
It actually said that?
all right,
He did pretty well.
Yeah.
we'll get an update tomorrow with you.
Fact
job.
is, he didn't even get anything out of it, which is terrible. Should have
Yeah, it
bet
is really
somebody
bad.
something.
Well, he said it was be no big deal, and we just had to all jump on
Well,
it.
I mean, he's proving everyone right now.
Yeah.
Your eyes are still
Yeah.
fucked up, man.
It's bearable now.
All right, Jerry, you're next.
Hey,
Well, that probably didn't help. That probably came up.
Yeah. Burp it all right back up.
Oh. Would you do it again?
For money.
Yeah, for money.
Okay.
was $100 worth it?
I'd eat another one right now for $100.
All right. There
Well,
you
there you go, folks.
I think that's kind of how it works with my buddy. They put $100 down. He's like, I'm not
If
dumb.
you send them two, you gotta multiply it though. It's not. It's like $100 if you want to send them one. But if you want to need two, it's got
gonna be
like
1,000 if you
at
wanna eat-
least
want me to
two
eat
and a
it.
half times that. At least $250 for two at once.
You're gonna be like the YouTube guy that eats all this stupid shit.
Dude, do you remember that? What the hell was that one dude's
It was
name?
beginning with an S.
Every
We
day
were
the
talking
toilet
about the other
paper roll.
Would
day.
eat like anything.
Glass.
Like, yeah, anything.
He chugged 2 bottles of vodka.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
the plastic
Yeah.
off.
I think he
Yeah.
died. I'm pretty sure he died.
Yeah,
I watched
I
him
thought
take
I
toilet
heard
paper
that.
roll on his fingers like this and just inhale the toilet paper
He would
roll.
chug the bottles of liquor, like
Yeah, take the plastic off
Yeah,
with his
just-
teeth and just go.
like
Oh. So day later, chip update. How were you the last night? How you feeling now?
I mean, this morning I was feeling pretty normal. Felt a little funky, nothing different than a mild hangover from drinking. That's what I mean, I felt pretty normal this morning. But last night, I had to run some errands on the way home, and you know, I was getting up, it's probably around 7 o'clock, I was like, man, I'm starting to feel a little something bubbling, something's happening. And I was like, man, my chest is burning a little bit.
A little heartburn?
So I was like, I got home, I was like, let me chill out, try to maybe go to the bathroom, and then out of nowhere, dude, I swear, it felt like my organs just turned solid. Like my chest felt like you were sitting on it, you know, because you're very heavy.
Thanks.
And I was like, I need to go to the hospital. I was like, I'm gonna die. I grabbed the bottle of water and like ran to the bathroom. I thought for sure I was gonna puke. And then like I sat in the bathroom for maybe 2 minutes and went and lay down on the couch and it passed as quick as it came on, but it was weird.
So was the after worse than the going down?
Oh yeah. I've never experienced stomach pain like that before in my life.
So are you still down for doing it for
No.
$100? Oh, you're
No.
retracting that now?
Yes. Yeah. If I don't even think I'd do it again, just due to possible health issues.
What if they gave you $500?
Yes.
Does that cover your hospital visit deductible? You got to check your insurance first.
Yeah, but then I'm just doing it for free again.
Yeah,
I really need
$600 is the minimum.
$1,000.
Okay.
You want to see me eat that chip again?
Or anything
Facebook.
else spicy?
Facebook message me $1,000.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's taking you up on that, so. Alright, well, we appreciate you taking one for the team there, pal.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Maybe
Team
next
player.
time you'll think twice before you say piece of cake. 'Cause it doesn't sound
Still
like
didn't take it like a bitch.
No, you didn't. Hey, I didn't think you would. Jerry thought you were going to fold because his friend did.
I mean, little do we know when you went home, he could have been balled up in the corner like, oh my god, this hurts.
Yeah, but I don't think he's going to lie to us.
No, I wouldn't lie to you.
If it was excruciating, he would have told us. Eric would still be out for a week.
It was uncomfortable, to
Okay.
say the least.
All right, well, thank you.
If I have to assume what childbirth feels like.
Oh, you're gonna have all kinds of women getting that.
Oh, it's a good thing we only have like one on the channel anyways.